Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So if you were with me last week, then you know we drew the evil one himself, the Grinch, in a pose from the 1966 animated classic, How the Grinch Stole Christmas, which means we've now drawn characters from two of my top favorite holiday specials. So I figured I'd keep going on this theme with another of my favorite specials, which preceded both Charlie Brown's Christmas and The Grinch. I'm talking about the classic Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. First released in 1964, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer is one of the most beloved and enduring holiday specials ever made. Created by Rankin and Bass, with its charming stop-motion animation, unforgettable music, and wonderful cast of characters, Rudolph, Hermie, Yukon Cornelius, and of course, Bumble the Abominable Snow Monster. It's definitely one of my all-time favorites. Today we'll be drawing not just one, but two of those iconic characters, Bumble the Abominable Snow Monster and Yukon Cornelius. Our pose and scene today finds Bumble looming in the background in a powerful stance while Yukon stands heroically in the foreground, pickaxe in hand and ready for adventure. So on that note, let's draw. We're going to draw our Bumble and Yukon Christmas scene step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw it again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this setup, Bumble is our big hulking character in the back, and Yukon is our smaller character in the front. In fact, Yukon is just a little over half the height of Bumble. That said, both Bumble and Yukon are almost exactly 3 heads tall. In other words, however tall we draw the oval for their head, their whole bodies will be just over 3 of those tall. Okay? So what do you say we draw the roadmap for our Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer scene with Bumble and Yukon? So there's our roadmap for our Bumble and Yukon Christmas scene. Now before we go on to step 2, I want to give you the layout of our scene using simple shapes for those of you who want to screen grab. Just something to help you to lay out your characters in this drawing. Okay? So now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible, or as I like to call it, whispering on paper. I use guidelines to help me to position Bumble and Yukon's faces, features, bodies, and overall pose. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay? So let's rough out the features for our scene from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer with Bumble and Yukon. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of our Bumble and Yukon Christmas scene. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Bumble and Yukon. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. The goal here is to always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving all the way until the very end. Okay? So let's draw in the details for our Bumble and Yukon Christmas scene. And that's how you do it. There it is, our scene of the mighty Bumble, the Abominable Snow Monster, and the fearless Yukon Cornelius from the classic 1964 holiday special, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Bumble or Yukon before, then you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring our Bumble and Yukon scene during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Bumble and Yukon in a scene from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And with that, you can draw it again and again. And by all means, color it when you're done. I promise each time you draw it, it's going to be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your version of our Bumble and Yukon Christmas scene. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.